Happy Wednesday, everybody. Today is Wellness Wednesday, and the topic is sleep better, burn fat naturally. Welcome back to the Daily Spoonful with the Primal Professor, where we nourish health from the ground up. And yes, sometimes that means getting under your covers. Because metabolic healing, it starts before breakfast and often in your bedroom. Sleep isn't a luxury, it's your body's repair mode. And when sleep suffers, everything else kind of starts falling apart. One single night of poor sleep raises your cortisol, which is your stress hormone, and that in turn raises your blood sugar. That spike triggers insulin, which tells your body to store fat, not burn it. Add fatigue and lowered leptin, that's your fullness hormone, and suddenly you're hungrier, you're craving carbs, and your ability to make good choices, well, let's just say it's compromised. It's not that you broke the diet, it's that your body is exhausted and confused. You can't out diet bad sleep. Even the best keto plan can stall if your body doesn't get enough time to rest, repair, and reset your hormones. So here's today's nugget. Poor sleep equals bad blood sugar control, no matter how clean your diet is. I had a client, let's call her Karen, who was doing absolutely everything right. She was tracking her macros, eating clean, walking daily, but her weight loss stalled for weeks. She was beyond frustrated. What we did was we had her make one change. She committed to 7.5 hours of screen-free, lights down, consistent sleep. Within 10 days, she started losing weight again. But more importantly, her mood lifted, her cravings dropped, and her energy was steady. She didn't need to do more. She needed to rest better. I want you to give this a try. Tonight, dim your lights 2 hours before you go to bed and turn off the screens. Even better, get outside in the morning sunlight. That's what I'm doing right now. That's why I'm recording from the porch. It's a beautiful day. That helps to reset your circadian rhythm and makes tonight's sleep even deeper. If you want to burn more fat without adding a workout, prioritize deep sleep. Sleep is your superpower, and unlike fancy supplements or expensive devices, it's completely free. So tonight, give your body what it's been asking for all along: rest. I'll see you tomorrow right here for your next Daily Spoonful.